This video is about dusting your indoor plants in a really easy way. I do this about every 6 months. There's a couple different ways you can do it, but first of all, we're going to take the plants outside for either way. So I've got one of my indoor plants here that's outside. I'm going to take just an old t-shirt, take that old t-shirt and wrap it around the base because I've got like wood chips down there. I don't want them to blow away. If you've got fake moss or whatever you've got down there, just put something down there to protect it so it doesn't blow away, or in the alternative method so that it doesn't get wet. So in this method, what we're going to do is use shop vac, and you can, in most shop vacs, you can just take off the exhaust and attach your hose to the exhaust end, and it becomes a blower instead of a vacuum. And so we're just going to blow off the dust off the leaves. I'm going to hold each one of the branches up because the blowing is pretty hard, and just to prevent the branches from bending or maybe even breaking, I'm going to hold each one and just blow the dust off. So like I said, I do this about every 6 months. If your plants get dustier, you can do it more often. So the other method is spraying them off with a hose or with a pressure washer. In that case, and if you don't have a shop vac, is why you might want to do that. They dry pretty quickly if you leave them outside. So if you do that, it's very similar. You just take the hose and you want to come from the top, and you want to have a sprayer on the hose or with a pressure washer. When I've done that in the past, I'll get really kind of far away from the plant and spray it so that it's not blasting the plant around, but it's just washing the leaves off.